Welcome to the fascinating world of generative art. Today, we're going to unveil 13 mind-blowing examples of generative art created with the help of artificial intelligence. First up, we have Deep Dream, an AI algorithm that turns ordinary images into surreal, dreamlike masterpieces. Next, we have Neural Style Transfer, where AI merges two images to create mesmerizing compositions with the style of one and the content of another. Moving on, Pix2Pix takes simple line drawings and transforms them into realistic images, like turning a doodle into a lifelike portrait. Then, we have Gone Paint Studio, an AI that allows you to edit or generate new objects within a picture, making it an artist's dream tool. Now, feast your eyes on DALL-E, an AI program that can generate completely new and unique images from any given description. Artbreeder is a platform where AI allows creators to mix and evolve artworks, resulting in stunning hybrids that are both familiar and surreal. Deep Art lets you transfer the style of famous paintings onto your own photographs, transforming them into artistic masterpieces. If you're a fan of fractals, you'll love Fractal Lab. This AI-based tool lets you create intricate and mesmerizing fractal patterns with just a few clicks. Godot is an AI artist that can autonomously create visually beautiful and stunning scenes, blurring the line between AI and human creativity. For those with an appreciation for music, MuseNet composes unique musical pieces in different genres, showing the AI's capability in the art of sound. Artbreeder 2 Inches pushes the boundaries further by allowing users to explore the limitless possibilities of mixing and customizing artworks together. GAN Space gives you the power to disentangle and explore the latent space representations of AI-generated images, giving creators unparalleled creative control. Last but not least, Gone Paint lets you manipulate AI-generated images by adding, removing, or changing objects within the scene, providing yet another level of artistic freedom. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the captivating world of generative art with AI. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more fascinating content on our channel. Thanks for watching.